Hello students, today we are going to learn English class 6 lesson number 1.3 Autobiography of a Great Indian Bustard. Now students, in this video we are going to discuss question and answers. Now see the first question. Read the passage aloud. Now students, for this question you will watch our previous video where I have read and explained Autobiography of a Great Indian Bustard. Okay. Now second question. You are going to meet Great Indian Bustard very soon. Prepare at least 10 questions to interview him. Now here you have to begin with the like this. Hello, congratulations for getting the status of the state bird of Rajasthan. Then we'll start the questions. How do you feel about it? Next question. How did you feel when you did not become the national bird of India? Third, many humans do not know about you. Why do you think this is so? 4. How do you protect yourself from hunters? 5th, how do you think humans can help you to identify and avoid electric power lines? 6th, is your home being threatened in the name of progress? 7. How will the environment be harmed if you become extinct? 8. Do you feel safe in the sanctuaries? 9. Who else beside Dr. Salim Ali is your friend? Last question. What else can be done by humans to help you? Okay, these are the questions. Now next question we'll see. Play the role of an interviewer and a Great Indian Bustard and present the interview in the classroom. So students, for this question, this is the activity and I will begin with some points. Okay, then you will continue it. Now first we'll see role play. Play the role of interviewer and the Great Indian Bustard and present the interview in the classroom. Interviewer: hello dear, congratulations for getting the status of the state bird of Rajasthan. How do you feel about it? Then Great Indian Bustard said, I feel really honored and thrilled to be the state bird of Rajasthan. Then interviewer: how did you feel when you did not become the national bird of India? Then Great Indian Bustard will give the answer. In this way you continue this question. Okay. Now next. Fourth question. Write a letter to your friend about the Great Indian Bustard. You may use the following points. Now see students, here 2 points are given. Why we need to protect the bird and what you plan to do to help the bird. Now this letter writing question we will study in the next video. Now we'll see the next question, 5th number. Form pairs and decide whether the following statements are those of the Great Indian Bustard or not. Now here some pairs are given, sentences are given. Now we'll start from the first one. I am the heaviest flying bird in India. Yes, this statement is for the Great Indian Bustard. I am known as the Mardok or Hum in Marathi. Great Indian Bustard. Now next. I live in mountainous region. This is for other bird. Next, I don't like grasshoppers or the beetles. This is also for the other bird. Now next is the we don't believe in building nests. Great Indian bustard. We don't. Okay, next question. F. Our chicks stays with the mother for a period of nearly 1 year. This is for Great Indian bustard. I am the state bird of Maharashtra. Some other bird. Last question. We have been pushed away from more than 90% of our home regions. Great Indian bustard. Okay. Now next question. 6 number. With the help of the internet and other sources, obtain more information about the critically endangered birds and animals in India. Find the names of their sanctuaries. Now here which birds are in critically endangered, which birds and animals, that will see. Okay. Now see the first one. Forest owlet, Indian vulture, then Siberian crane, Asiatic cheetah, Himalayan wolf, and Amboli toad. Okay. Here also some in the textbook also some are given. Next question. Prepare a poster on the need for the conservation of a Great Indian bustard. And 8th number question is write a short autobiography of any bird or animal of your choice. Now these both the questions we will study in our next video. Now we'll directly discuss the question number 12, language study. Identify the following from the list given in the box below. Nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs and pronouns. Now first one is the bird. It is a noun. Wonderful, adjective. Friends, nouns. Gather, verb. Humans, noun. We, pronoun. I, pronoun. Healthy, adjective. Grasslands, noun. Helps, verb. Directly, adverb. Protect, verb. Arrive, verb. Together, this is the adverb. Away, adverb. Happy, adjective. Then slowly, adverb. Afraid, adjective. You, pronoun. Us, pronoun. Okay, students. And this is about the question and answers of this lesson, autobiography of a Great Indian bustard. Okay then, take care.